歡迎收睇 Best Square Gaming， 我係阿奕。一睇呢個畫面就知我哋又返到嚟黃昏之陣啦。不過我哋今次要揾 Lucky Ambles 嘅目的地呢，並唔係黃昏之陣，我哋只係路過嘅啫。我哋真正嘅目的地係揾 Winnie the Pooh 入去佢嘅世界。過到嚟餐廳附近呢，就會觸發劇情噶啦。
Greetings, gentlemen. What brings you all the way out here? Besides the finest tea this side of Big Ben, of course.
Huh? But, Merlin, I thought that you asked us to stop by.
Gracious, did I?
Mm-hmm.
Didn't you leave a message for us with Chip and Dale?
About a book?
Ah, yes, the book. That's right. Behold.
Hey, this is...
Someone's not on it.
Did something happen?
Well, that's what you need to find out, lad.
Okay, I'll see you in a bit.
Take care.
Yes, and good luck.
No bother. Sink, sink, sink. Sink, sink, sink.
Pooh Bear!
Mm-hmm.
You okay?
Oh, hello there, Sora. You're home.
Uh-huh. Good to see you, Pooh. And you too, Piglet.
Hello.
You're not in trouble? But I thought something odd must be going on.
Let me see. I don't remember anything oddish, but perhaps I've forgotten. Sink, sink, sink.
Oh,
Sink,
we've
sink,
got trouble,
sink.
all right.
Oh, bother.
Would that be the rabbit sort of trouble? Sorry. Please continue.
Sora!
Wow! Who's this? Huh?
It's okay. He's my friend.
Hi, I'm Sora.
And I'm Lumpy. It's nice to meet you. Ah!
Suffering sassafras. Stomp around a little louder, why don't you?
Oh. Go for I'm sorry.
I kind of like it when the ground gets bouncy.
Well, I suppose if something has to bounce. Huh? Speaking of...
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Back for some more bouncing, Sora?
Tigger!
Come on, let's go! You too, Roo!
Yippee! Me too, me too. I want to bounce.
Oh, yes, it is time for bouncing! Say no more! All would-be bouncers are welcome!
Oh, I remember now. Rabbit's trouble is harvest-related.
Well, thank you for remembering my plight, Pooh. Better late than never. Excuse me! Would anyone else care to remember why we're here?
As I recall, we came to help you with your garden, Rabbit. After which, perhaps, you'll invite us in for a smeckerel or two of honey?
Correct. No. I mean, we'll see about that, Pooh. Now, the garden, if you please. You can help too, Sora.
What? Me too?
因為我之前係完全冇入過呢個世界，所以關於呢一個世界嘅任務基本上係冇做過㗎。好，言歸正傳，我哋揾翻 Lucky Amber 先。呢個世界嘅 Lucky Amber 咧係少得可憐嘅。第一個就係我哋身處企緊呢一個位置，向後望，你會見到有個晾衫架喺度嘅。第一個 Lucky Amber 咧就喺左邊嗰個木桶入面。然之後擰翻住面向翻小熊維尼佢哋，你會見到一個特別大嘅南瓜嘅。第二個 Lucky Amber 就喺個南瓜嘅側面。之後我哋行上條橋嗰度，望向遠處就會見到第三個 Lucky Amber。呢一集嘅攻略就咁就完啦，真係好短，係咁多個世界入面最短嘅一個。中意我哋嘅片記得 like 同埋 share 俾朋友，同埋訂閱我哋嘅 channel。我哋下條片再見，拜拜。